How to remove a limit on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and you land in your home page, now whenever you try to send someone a message or try to follow some account in Instagram, you will have a pop-up message in your interface that says try again later, and there you will see we limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram to protect our community. Tell us if we think we made a mistake. Now if you encounter that type of message in your interface, here is how you can remove the limit. So first of all, from this home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, now again tap on three line icon from the top right corner. That will take you to settings and activity page. Here scroll down and under how others can interact with you option, there you will find an option as limit interactions. So go to limit interactions. Now you will land on this interface. Here you make sure you read all of this information given to you. That says you're limiting interactions from recent followers and accounts that don't follow you. And there are further information given that says what will be limited, who will be limited, and we will remind you to turn this off. Now if you'd like to remove this limit, simply tap on turn off button from the bottom of this interface. And there you go, you have removed limit from Instagram and turn off this limit interactions in Instagram. And that's how you can remove limit on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.